guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be doing my quick go-to makeup routine. I've been doing this a lot lately, almost every day. But for this might be a lot for some people, you know, who are just brave enough to just go out without any makeup on and they're good to go. Me, I still like to have some, and you'll see what I mean in the video. But this look is actually really quick. I've been doing this pretty fast lately, so it's just like nothing to me. But this is my go-to quick makeup look. So if you guys want to see how I get this look, then just please keep on watching. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and prime my face. I'm using the Smashbox Photo Finish Primerizer. I'm going to go ahead and just put this all over. Okay, and going in with foundation, I'm going to be using the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Photo Foundation, and I'm in Golden Beige. Okay, so then now I'm just going to go ahead and blend this all out. Okay, so with that blended out, I'm going to be using my Tarte Shape Tape, and I'm also going to be mixing it with the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. So I'm just going to go ahead and throw that all in and blend it out. Okay, so now to set my face, I'm going to be using the Airspun Translucent Powder, and just go ahead and set. Okay, and now that that's in, and sorry if you guys hear all this noise in the background because there's like people working on their yards and people playing outside, so sorry about that. So now I'm going to go ahead and bronze my face, and right now I want to use what's left of my Essence Sun Club bronzer. I lost the cap, it broke off. So anyways, I'm gonna go in with that, and lately I've been going back to my brush that I absolutely loved bronzing with. It was the powder brush from Real Techniques. This brush was my favorite to do bronzing, but then I switched it up, but I came back to it and I'm just mad that I left it because it's one of my favorites to use. So anyways, I'm just gonna go ahead and bronze up my face with that. Okay. And to contour, I'm going to be using my Wet n Wild contouring palette in, let's see, where's my brush? I'm just gonna go into the contour shade and just contour like normal. Then I'm using the same contour to do my nose. Yeah, so for blush, I'm gonna go in with the Wet n Wild. I believe it was like Petals something. I broke the lid off this too. What a surprise. But anyways, I'm gonna go in this and put some blush on. Okay, and so now going back into that contour palette, I'm going to go in with the light shade, and obviously I do use this a lot, but I like to just go over and always brighten up, you know, under the eyes, but I like to also use it to do all like the lighter points of my face. My favorite part though is like I like to get a lot and I'll go under, but I also blend it all over where I did the contouring and the bronzing, all that stuff, just to really have it blend out and not be so harsh if, you know, it was. But I just like to really make sure they're all blended in and look nice. So now I'm just gonna go into highlights, and the highlight I'm gonna use today is I'm just gonna go in the Sugar palette from the Sugar Glow Kit from Anastasia. So I'm gonna just go into basically all the shades. Let's just do all the shades. Okay, so now that the highlight's done, I always like to do my brows after the highlight because I just don't like all of it in my brows. So I'm just gonna go ahead and go through these quickly, and I'm using the Makeup Revolution's Brow Pomade. Okay, so now that my brows are done, and I'm sorry they're like right by my window, so yay. Moving on to the eyes, I'm just gonna get a black liner. You could do whatever. Do I want to do black? No, I lied. I'm not doing black. Okay, I'm actually gonna get a black brown eyeliner. And this one is from Color Meets, and I'm just going to Tightline and Waterline. Okay, so now that I did that, I am going to set my face. So, and okay guys, so this is the final look. This is honestly what I've been doing lately. If I just want to run errands, or I just want to have some makeup on but I just don't want to do a lot. This is literally what I do, and I've been loving it a lot. I know there's some people out there that, you know, it's either if it's not a lot like full glare makeup, they just don't wear makeup. Me, I'm not there yet. I have to have some sort of makeup on if I'm going to do quick errands or whatever, but I like to honestly focus more on my hair and the base, so the face of the makeup rather than the eyes. I'll do a little bit to them, how I did like with the brows and tight lining and stuff. Sometimes I'll wear mascara, but lately I'm like, you know, I'm gonna dodge that and just not do it at all, and I've been liking it. So this is what I do for my quick go-to, and it's honestly really quick to do. It's so fast, and I just started when I really need to hurry up. I just do it super quick and I'm out the door. That's why I've been really skipping the eyes. But yeah, this is it. So if you guys like it, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, and please don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you guys want to see more quick simple makeup looks, or just things like that. Go ahead and put those down in the comments below. And with all of that being said, I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.